Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The reason why I am not on the video today is because I'm literally still in my PJs. So so I'm literally still in my PJs. But I do want to demonstrate. This is called Glitza home, and basically you can decorate anything. I've just made a beautiful mask for my husband, and he really loved it. Yeah. But you don't really need to make it on material. You can make it literally on anything. If I wanted to decorate my kettle, that would have been possible. I have my name on. I think it's important in case we lose things, like the mask. Everybody needs to wear it, and it's easy to grab somebody else's mask if you're not sure. So this is purely just an example. So in the box that you get, basically you will cut out your motif. I don't know, it's quite hard to see, but you get motifs like these. This is your glue, and these are the motifs that you can use. Unfortunately, I would have loved for them to have letters, but unfortunately they don't have letters. We are on our way to Mykonos, and my husband chose like a Greek motif, which is really nice. So for me, I decided to have a more flower powery kind of motif. And this is my name, by the way. So let's put it, you need to position it exactly right. I think I'm gonna have it there. And you lay it down, and then lightly rub on the motif to make absolutely 100% sure you get all the glue on. This is really important. It's almost like one of those, I don't know if you, as a child, if you had those rub-ons. That's exactly how it works. Okay, rub, 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 rub. So it still looks like nothing. Peel it off. Now this is the glue. Obviously you need to put something on it. They sent three glitters. My husband's has got a green one. I'm gonna do the same color as him because I think it's quite pretty. You get 2 brushes, a smaller one and a thicker one. I think if you do the big motifs you can do it on this, but I am literally going to use the smaller one. And you stamp this onto the glue. Make sure you get it everywhere, because anything that you do not glitter will be sticky. So you must make sure, and this is washable, by the way. Stamp it on. You know what, now that I'm busy with that, I think I'm going to go with 2 colors. I think I'm going to go in with purple too on the other side. Just being a bit creative here. I didn't think I would do that. But then you will be able to see the purple color too. So it's quite nice to have a little bit of a mishmash.
Purple haze.
And once you are 100% sure that you got it everywhere, you shake it off, and voila, there's your mask, all individual. Nobody else would have one like this. Okay guys, this was just a short demonstration, and I'll check in with you later this week.